Today, I wanted to show you my top 3 exercises for hip pain. If we haven't met before, my name is Kathy. I'm a physical therapist. Let's get started. If it's been a while since you've exercised, be sure to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. So the first exercise I'd like to show you today is a simple bridge. I'm going to lie down on my back on my little mat. If you have trouble getting up and down from the floor, I have a video here that can show you how you can do it at home, or you can do these on the couch or on your bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and lie down on my back. When I'm bridging, what I like to do is have my feet about shoulder width apart. And as I lift up, I'm going to go section by section. If you start to have any cramps in your hamstrings, what you can do is just lift up your toes, and that'll concentrate the effort on the glutes. So what I'm going to do is just slowly lift up, hold it for a few seconds, and come on down. I'm squeezing at the top and slowly going back down. Now, if you're doing these at home, you'll want to do about 10. So we're going to roll the pelvis back and slowly come up section by section, and then slowly come back down to the start position. As I'm doing this, I'm drawing my belly button into the spine to keep those core muscles engaged. And since my feet are up, that takes any strain out of my hamstrings, and I can feel it right in the glutes. The next exercise I'm going to show you is called a clamshell. These seem really easy at first, but when you do them the right way, they can be quite challenging. So I'm going to lie down on my side with my knees bent and my feet together. And I want to keep my hips stacked one on top of the other. This is so that it keeps my core engaged, and it makes sure to work the gluteus medius, which is the muscle that we want to focus on. So I've got my knees together and my feet together, and I'm just going to lift up the top knee. And you just want to lift up as high as you can without rolling back, because once you start rolling back, you're no longer targeting that gluteus medius. And so that's what we want to focus on. The first few might seem quite easy, but as you go, it'll get more challenging for you. With these, you'll want to do about 10 on each side to start with. The last exercise I want to show you is called a straight leg raise. I'm going to lie down on my back again. I'm going to keep my opposite knee bent, and I'm going to pull my toes towards my head, and that's going to help lock out my knee so that I can lift my leg just as high as the other leg to keep it even and come on down. When you're doing these, you don't want to let momentum carry you away. You just want to go nice and controlled, a few counts to come up. So Jersey has found a comfortable spot. So I'm going to do my straight leg raises. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my opposite knee bent, and that's going to help protect my back a little bit. I'm going to draw my toes up towards my head, and that's going to help me engage the quad on my left leg so that as I lift up, I'm keeping that left leg nice and straight. And then I'm going to slowly lower it back down. As I'm doing these, I want to go slowly so that momentum is not carrying me away. Because if I just go up and down like this, that's just the momentum that's doing it. And it's not going to be as effective as if I just tighten it, lift to the opposite leg, or lift to the height of the opposite knee, and come back down slowly. So we're lifting up and down. And again, we'll want to do about 10 on each side. Well, I hope you found these exercises helpful. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite.